The key use I see for it is defect detection, ranging from a computer chip to a car. My name's Will. I'm a senior mechatronic engineer at COREMATIC. I've been doing some testing with the Photoneo PhoXi 3D camera. It's a laser scanner, very high precision, high accuracy, combines laser scan with photo, so you can get colorized 3D point clouds. So it's pretty much just got a laser on one side and the camera on the other side. When we send a command, it'll trigger the laser to rotate through its field, and you'll see the laser come up over the object, takes the point cloud and sends it back to the computer. It's very, very high precision. That's one of the really cool things about these sensors, is because they have the different sizes, you can apply it to almost any object within that range. The type of things that you'd use them for is static scenes. It has about half a second acquisition time, so you need a static scene for about half a second, and then you can take another shot sort of 3 seconds later. So last time we were looking at a GoCater line scanner. The line scanner is just a single line, so you need to have some sort of mechanical system to move the object through the line scanner or move the line scanner over the object. This scanner is both objects are static, and then if you want to take further views of the object, you'll either have to move the object, rotate the object, or rotate or move the camera to another position.